Hey everyone, today we're going to go over the U60-B and how to get started. The first thing we're going to do is plug in our AC power adapter into the wall, and from there we'll go ahead and take our barrel plug and we will plug it into the U60-B power outlet. There is a locking mechanism to screw it down and secure it, so we'll go ahead and tighten that up. And once you have that plugged in, we're ready to go. You can also use the U60-B with an external battery, and we'll go over that later. There's only two buttons on the U60-B. You have the power button, so let's go ahead and turn on the unit. So you'll press and hold for a couple seconds and that'll turn on our unit. And from there, you just have the dim and CCT button. Now dim stands for light intensity and CCT stands for our color. Now to change those, all you have to do is simply click this dial here. And once you click it, it'll blink for a second and then you can adjust. Right now we're on intensity, adjust the power up and down. From there, if I want to change my color output, all I have to do is click the unit again. It'll highlight for a second the Kelvin temperature. And from there, we can also dial it in. You have a range of anywhere from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. Included with your U60-B is a remote. From this remote, we can power off the unit and power it on. To change the output or the intensity, we're going to go ahead and press the up button on the trigger, and this will increase our power output or intensity. If we need to power it down for any reason, you would go ahead and just press the bottom icon here, and then your unit will also power down. If you want to change the color temperature, you have two options. You can press the sun icon to make your light warmer. And if you want your light to appear more cool, you'll go ahead and press and hold the snowflake and that will change your color temperature. Included with your U60-B is two magnetic lighting modifiers. The first being the diffusion dome, which is lightly diffused. To attach, you simply just attach it to the front of your face and twist and it'll magnetically attach to the front of the U60-B. The next modifier included with your U60-B is a magnetic Octabox. Let's go ahead and go over how to set that up. To attach the Octabox fabric to the magnetic ring, insert one rib into the rib holder. Next, locate the elastic band located near the base of the rib, and then pull it around the hook that is located on the rib holder. Do this for the remaining 7 ribs. Once you have finished attaching all the ribs to the magnetic ring, now let's open up our softbox. To do this, simply pull on each rib one at a time until you hear a click on the magnetic ring. Once the Octabox is open, attach the included front diffusion panel to the front of the Octabox. Now that we have the magnetic Octabox assembled, let's go ahead and attach it to our U60-B. Just like the magnetic diffusion dome, the Octabox attaches the same way. Line up the adapter ring with the face of the U60-B and just twist slightly to ensure proper fitment. To collapse the Octabox, aim the Octabox face downward and while holding the mounting ring, use your thumbs to simultaneously press 2 adjacent square release buttons on the mounting ring to release 2 sections of ribs. Finish collapsing the modifier by simultaneously pressing the remaining 2 release buttons. The U60-B also has an umbrella receptacle built into the tilter bracket, allowing you to attach umbrellas. To attach your umbrella to the U60-B, ensure that your set screw is loose, and simply slide your umbrella into the umbrella receptacle and tighten down the set screw, ensuring proper mounting. The U60-B can also be paired with a battery. It'll work with most standard D-tap batteries, but today we're going to use the Westcott NV95 Mini V-mount battery. To power up the U60-B, we'll also need to pair it with the D-tap to barrel cable. Let's go ahead and get it set up. So first what we'll do is we'll go ahead and remove the rubber tab over the D-tap on the battery. And from there, we'll plug in the D-tap section of our cord into the unit. Once the D-tap cord is attached to the battery, we can go ahead and put our barrel end into our U60-B. And once that's pushed in, we can go ahead and hit the power button and we're good to go. That covers the functionality of the U60-B. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.